Whoa! Hold on to your hats, everyone. Something magical is exploding onto the screen right now. Look, it's Mario! And he's brought some colorful pencil friends to help us draw some fun today.
I bet the green one is the fastest artist. Let's see if he can keep up with Mario's jumps.
Yes!
Watch closely as the pencils add a splash of color. Which outfit do you think Mario should pick first?
Yes!
Spinning and changing! It's like a rainbow fashion show for our favorite hero.
He's locked in that classic red style. Or is it blue? Wait, no, he looks great in everything.
Yes, we nailed it! Pop goes the fireworks celebration time theme! Now the real challenge begins. Can you spot the right match for these Mario variants?
Oops! That X means it's a mismatch. Don't worry. Keep your eyes peeled for the perfect piece.
Ready? Go!
Bingo! That hat fits perfectly. Click, snap, and it's locked in place. Look at all that confetti! We've successfully completed the whole set. You guys are absolute pros. You did amazing today, Puzzle Masters. Don't forget to hit subscribe so we can play again soon. Puzzle Explorers, welcome to the wildest, most colorful matching adventure ever.
Whoa, look at JJ and the gang. Uh-oh, watch out for that swirling tornado. Whoosh!
Oh, a mysterious pug has arrived. Can you guess who is hiding behind those secret silhouettes?
3,
Time to play a matchup.
1,
Grab JJ
go!
and slide him right into his matching shadow. Click.
Is it a cat? No, wait, that's definitely Tom Tom. You're doing so great, friends.
Now the music is pumping. Tap along to the rhythm as the characters dance across the screen. How many times they jump? 1, 2, 3, go!
guys are rhythm masters. Keep matching those icons before the music stops. Zoom, zoom.
Fireworks for our puzzle champions. You did it. You're welcome to the ultimate Shadow Match Challenge. Ready to play? Look at those shapes. Can you find where Luigi, Mario, and our Cocomelon friend belong?
Is that a pizza? Maybe it's a giant cookie? Wait, it's totally Luigi's hat.
Oh, a royal crown appears. Who could that be? It's Princess Peach. Shh, keep it quiet. The tiny Cocomelon baby is sleeping in that silhouette.
No.
Yikes, those spikes look super sharp. It's the mighty Bowser.
You did it! You matched every single shadow perfectly. You're a puzzle master.
High five. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more fun.
Welcome to the ultimate puzzle adventure, explorers. Join Mario and Luigi as they dash through the sunny Mushroom Kingdom.
Boing, watch them leap over that green pipe. Zoom. Can you jump just as high in your living room?
Oh no! Bowser is breathing fire! Quick, help our heroes hide before they get scorched. Phew! That was a close one. Time for a shadow challenge. Which piece completes Mario's hat? Point at the right one? Let's go.
Is it the mustache? Maybe it's a giant pizza? Wait, no, that's just my lunch. It's definitely the hat piece.
Click! That piece fits perfectly into the shadow. You're doing an amazing job solving these puzzles. We're almost finished. Let's find Luigi's green cap to complete our super team. 3, 2, 1. Snap it into place. Ta-da! The picture is complete. You are a master puzzle solver. High five to all our superstar players at home. Welcome, puzzle explorers. Look at all our forest friends gathering today, from Mario to Kirby.
Whoa, check out those mysterious shadows. I bet a Goomba lives in that big one over there.
Actually, those are our brave heroes. Can you help us match them to their shapes? Click! Mario slides right into place. Luigi is next. Match the green hat to the silhouette.
Boing, they fit perfectly. You're doing amazing, superstar.
Watch out for the Boo. Slide him into his spooky shadow. Then find Yoshi, that silly Goomba.
Pop, pop, pop! Everything is falling into place just like magic. What?
Last ones. Kirby and Toad are ready to join the party. Let's snap them in. 3, 2, 1, clack!
Teda, the forest is complete. You are a puzzle master. High five.
Welcome, Puzzle Pals! Are you ready to play with our Cocomelon friends today?
Whoa! Look at them pop onto the screen. Hi, everyone.
Can you count all 4 of our buddies? 1, 2, 3, and 4.
Boing! Did their heads just float away? That is super silly.
Snap! They are back together again. It is new! Let's clap our hands to the beat. Clap, clap, clap!
Follow that magic finger. Where is it pointing now?
Great job spotting the characters! You are all puzzle masters.
The dance party is on! Can you wiggle like Cocomelon?
Look at that shiny subscribe button. Give it a tap fast. You did it! You solved every single puzzle today. You superstars!
See you next time for more fun and games. Bye-bye.
Welcome to our sunny beach puzzle adventure. Are you ready to play? Look, Princess Peach and Toad are soaking up the sunshine.
Wow, Mario, Luigi, and Yoshi joined the party. The whole gang is here. Oh no, Bowser and the others arrived and boom! Everything went poof!
Everything is gone. Can you help us find where all our friends are hiding? Everything is a silhouette now. Let's solve this mystery together. Ting! That's Toad. You matched him perfectly. Great job.
Is that Wario? He's so grumpy, but he fits right into that spot.
Oops, that's not the right spot for Luigi. Let's try again. Click, perfect. Bowser is back. Slide him right into his shadow. Clack! Princess Peach looks so elegant. elegant in her silhouette. You found her.
Waluigi was tricky, but you found his spot. Nice work, detective.
It's Mario! You finished the whole puzzle! You're a superstar hero! Welcome, puzzle explorers! Ready to match your favorite heroes? Let's dive into the grid!
Whoa, Yoshi and Luigi are here, but watch out for that sneaky cloud obstacle. Boing!
Help me slide them into their shadows. Can you spot where Mario goes? Slide him right into the square. Click clack! Everything is snapping into place like magic. Keep those eyes peeled, team.
Boom! Fireworks! No, match them all perfectly! You guys are absolute puzzle pros!
No! God!
Now, let's turn up the music. Follow the rhythm of these movie clips.
Open the gate!
Tap your feet to the beat.
I do not.
That's Bowser dancing. Haha, he's got some silly moves. Keep matching those rhythm icons.
Back to the grid. Focus, explorers. Let's see if we can assemble the final pieces together. Peach is joining the party. Dance along with her, then get ready to find the next hidden piece.
Quick, touch the screen. Tap, tap, tap to lock those characters into their spots before time runs out.
Very nice.
The beat is getting faster. Can you keep up with Mario and Luigi? Feel the music. You solved the ultimate puzzle, Superstar. Toad is cheering for you. You did amazing today. High five, everyone. See you next time.
Open gate, 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 open gate, open gate, open gate.
Welcome, everyone. Today, Mario and Luigi are heading back to school for a giant puzzle challenge.
Beep, beep! All aboard the school bus. Mario and Luigi are ready to roll.
Oh no, the bus hit a bump. Kaboom! What a silly tumble down the hill.
Look, it's KSI watching our puzzle. Hey KSI, think you can help us solve this?
Let's find the matching pieces. Does Mario's hat fit here? Oops, that's a no. Try again.
Even Michael Scott is cracking up at these tricky spots. Keep going. You're doing great.
No! God, please, no! No!
Yay!
We did it! Everything is perfectly in place. You guys are absolute puzzle masters. Don't forget to like and share for more fun. Welcome, everyone. It is time for a wild shadow matching adventure. Are you ready to play?
Look at that wooden stick figure strolling through the park. He looks like he is on a mission.
That beaver detective just used a super soaker to turn that red car into a shadow. Splat! Uh-oh, the stick figure is catching fire. Quick, beaver detective, use the water blast. Psha!
He is trying to swing that glove, but he keeps getting bounced back. Boing, boing, boing.
Victory for the beaver detective. He really knows how to protect the park, don't you think? Wait, here comes the Ninja Coffee Cup.
Let's go.
With a lightning-fast strike. Wow, what a hero. You all did amazing today. Welcome, everyone. Get ready for a wild showdown puzzle adventure right now.
Whoa, look at that grumpy wooden stick figure stomping around with his club.
Oh my, a frog in a tire? That is so silly. Can you say ribbit with me?
Bam, the frog just knocked him over. I bet the stick figure didn't see that coming.
Down he goes again. That frog is a master of the bouncy tire defense, isn't he? The stick figure is totally tuckered out now. Look at him just lying there.
Wait, what's that? A Ninja Coffee Cup just dropped in to save the day.
Let's go!
What a hilarious victory! You guys did amazing. Welcome, everyone. It is time for a magical, colorful puzzle adventure.
Whoa, look at JJ, Tom Tom, and Yo-Yo dancing to the rhythm. Are they ready to play?
Boom! A magical sparkle just turned our dance floor into a super fun matching game.
I think the blue head belongs in the blue shadow. Should I put it there?
Wait, let's look closer. That shape is a perfect match for JJ's head. Click!
No, 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 no.
Ting! You did it! Look at all that colorful confetti popping everywhere.
Make the world a happy place, a happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place. Let's have fun, have fun.
They are so happy. Can you dance along with JJ and his friends while they celebrate?
Blue sheep, have you any wool? Yes, sir, 3 bags full.
Nope.
Happy place, a happy place. Let's all make the world a happy place.
everyone perfectly. High five!
Yes, sir, yes, sir. 3 assholes.
That was an epic victory. Thanks for playing, everyone. See you in the next big adventure. Bye-bye.
Sir, yes, sir.
Welcome, puzzle explorers. Get ready for a wild city adventure.
Oh, look at Mr. Wooden Club walking by the fruit market. Is he going to trip?
That mischievous bird with the yellow glasses is up to no good today. Whoopsie-daisy! He slipped right into the fire. Quick, point at the water bucket to help him out.
Zap! That bird is shooting lasers. Stay back, Mr. Wooden Club.
A coffee cup ninja appears.
Let's
You
go,
saved the
kid.
day, puzzle masters. See you next time for more fun. Welcome to the ultimate puzzle party team. Let's get those brain gears turning. Our crew is growing. Who's joining us for today's big mystery mission? Look at all our friends. We have the whole gang ready for action. Those cat eyes are looking a little suspicious. What could be hiding behind them? It's go time. Let's spot those eyes and solve this puzzle. Point to the eyes. Is it the boy or the baby? You decide. You found it. That's a perfect match. Well spotted. Confetti time. You're doing amazing. Keep that energy high. 2 thumbs up for that super sharp eyesight. Wait, not there. Let's try to find the right spot together. That's the one. You nailed it, superstar. Even the glasses-wearing pro is impressed by your skills. Focus in. What secret is hiding in that tiny detail? Yummy! A watermelon slice. That's a sweet surprise for our puzzle. Give that kitty a pat. She's happy we're playing along. Careful now. Is it the baby's turn or the boy's turn? Yes! You got it right on the money! Let's celebrate with a big wave to our new puzzle friends. Don't be sad, the fun is just getting started. Reach out and grab the answer. You're almost there. Sitting pretty on the colorful mat. Ready for the next challenge. Another victory. Let the confetti rain down. Brush, brush, brush. Keeping our smiles bright and our puzzles clean. Time to get moving. Let's exercise those brain muscles. Building blocks are so much fun. What are you making today? Sharing is caring. That's how we solve big problems together. Stacking them high. You're a master